drink off the Hennessy by the way?
You know, so many dog them with a whole of vibe.
What's up, guys? You know it's your boy Ishmael got keys with the next banger video. So I want you to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell and drop a one comment. And remember to follow me on Instagram at Ishmael_got_keys. Mo.
How drink off the Hennessy by the way?
You know, so many dog them with a whole of vibes out on the front.
You
there.
know what I said now?
Yeah, dog.
Just get it back.
You want a good fuck, you see, out a woman. Making allow you to do anything where you want to besides don't suck in pussy, no, but you what you don't know, right?
Never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Shape the pussy. And when you shape the pussy now, you put her lay down crossway in bed and drop in foot them a ground. And put a pillar under in bottom now. And then if you have a belt, one broad belt, you kind of dry it like a tightish round in belly. That the pussy bulge down in no man. See, yeah, because when he lay down, the tripe gone up in her chest, you know. And the pussy gone down now, hole down now, Tony like. So you see when you